I can't believe it's here. I can't believe they did it. I can't believe I have it. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and this is truly a hot off of the press and impromptu video because you all, I know everybody has been excited about this ever since we heard the news that a new intense version of the beloved Valentino Donna Born in Roma was going to be released in early 2023. Everybody's been excited. We've all been waiting on it. Like, when is it going to drop? When is it going to show up? And you all, I'm here to tell you that yes, it is real. It's the real deal. It's here and I have it, and we're going to talk about it today. But before we get into the new Valentino Donna Born in Roma Intense, you know what we must do first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. We kept it chill, we kept it moody because it is a gloomy day. So our lipstick of the day is MAC Soar lipstick. It'll be linked below as always, so you don't have to think about it. Next up, we have fragrance of the day, another perfect winter staple, and this is from the house of Jo Malone. And this is Jo Malone's Myrrh and Tonka, which, oh, this is so beautiful. Jo Malone did this one right. I'm just saying. Now, if they ever come out with a more intense version or longer lasting version, even though this one is pretty decent, I'm buying it. But I do have a dedicated review on the channel already to Jo Malone's Myrrh and Tonka Cologne Intense. So, all right, you all, let's get into this new release, first impressions of the Valentino Donna Born in Roma Intense. You all, I'm so excited about this. I haven't even smelled it yet because I wanted this to be a true first impression video. It's so hot off the press, you all. I got the box right here, you all. So I literally just unboxed this thing. For those that may be wondering, I was able to purchase my bottle from Nordstrom. It was available online. I couldn't go in store and get it. It was truly an online order. So yes, ordered it from Nordstrom. They sent this lovely bag of January skincare items. There's so many things in here and I'm very intrigued by what all came in the box. But alas, that's a topic for another day. But most importantly, you all, what we care about, the brand new Valentino Donna Born in Roma Intense. Here is the box. At the time I ordered it, it was only available in the 100 ml bottle, the 3.4 fluid ounce, which you all know is normally not my preferred size. But I must admit, for this new release and how much I love the original, I'm okay with that. So for the record, my price was $156 for the 100 ml size. I'm pretty sure they're going to release a 50 ml and a travel size as well, just based off of the previous Valentinos releases in this line. So, you know, it'll be common if you don't want to necessarily get a big bottle like this. So now let's unbox it. So here again is the box. As we all can tell, it's very similar to the original. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I first opened the box, I was like, wait a minute, did they send me the wrong thing? But then I read the difference here is on the bottom. They have intense for those that might be wondering. So that is the difference. So no, it's not a wrong bottle or bad batch. It is correct. So I'm going to unbox this for you all. Again, I have not sprayed this, so I have no idea what it smells like because I wanted to have a true moment here with my elves. And the moment you all been waiting on, here is the bottle. It has a deepened blackened pink situation going on, and for the sake of comparisons, here is my original bottle of Valentino Donna Born in Roma, so you all can tell the difference. Oh, this is a 50 ml, just FYI, so you can tell the difference. 50 ml size, 100 ml. So here you all can see the difference, and yes, the bottles do look different. So once they hit stores and hit counters, you will be able to tell which bottle is the one you're trying to pick up. So you won't have to really read to figure that out. That's a good thing. They do have a men's version in the Umo line as well in the Intense. I saw they had, but of course I'm not interested in that one at the moment. Maybe Head Elf maybe, but for right now we care about the Intense version. So all right, y'all. The moment we all been waiting on, I can't wait any longer. I'm ready to spray this. I have my test strips right here. And since we're at it, I guess I will go ahead and do a comparison to the original because, I mean, that's what we really all care about too at the end of the day. The cap comes off standard. You pull it off. It's very snugly fit, as you all could tell. And let's see what the atomizer is giving. All right. Truly a new bottle. Had to warm it up. 2 sprays. All right, let's see, y'all. Okay. All right. Oh, my apologies. I got so excited I didn't read you all the notes. Let's talk about it. So the notes for Valentino Donna Born in Roma Intense, They have notes of vanilla, jasmine, and benzoin. Heavy on the jasmine, for sure. I still get that vanilla, I do, but it's not the bourbon vanilla that is as heavy as in the original to me, but I'm gonna compare to make sure. This is deeper. Definitely still in this DNA. Definitely still in this Donna Born Roma DNA. This is absolutely deeper. And you know what? I'm gonna spray some on my skin because I really wanna get into this. I've washed my hands, so I don't have any fragrance on my hand at the moment. So let's do that. Okay. So I'm gonna let that settle on my skin and then we'll revisit it. So now let's compare to the original. Just for reference, I do have a dedicated review on the original Donna Born and Roma. So if you want a more detailed view on it, I have it linked up top for you all. But for the sake of memory, the original Donna Born and Roma, you all, came out in 2019. So this was not a brand new release, even though it blew up in 2022. So random, social media is so weird like that. And in the original, you all, the notes were top notes of blackcurrant, pink pepper, and bergamot. Middle notes of jasmine, jasmine sambac, and jasmine tea. Base notes were bourbon vanilla, cashmere, and guaiac wood. So I'm going to spray some of the original as well on a test strip. So we can go ahead and do this comparison, y'all. All right. Original Donna Born and Roma. Let's get into it again. Y'all, I gotta be honest with y'all. Let me tell you something. Compared to the new intense version, the original Donna Born and Roma smells light. This is sweeter. Okay, so now I'm going to smell the intense version on the test strip as well as on my hand. Oh, this has a way more mature leaning now. This is dried down. Oh yeah. Okay, now let me smell on my hand. Oh wow. Oh, this jasmine in here. The jasmine is the selling point in the new intense version. It's no longer the vanilla. It's the jasmine in here. And I definitely smell the benzoin. The vanilla is in there faintly, but the benzoin and that jasmine especially is what's pronounced in the new intense version. This is absolutely a way more mature fragrance. Yeah. Let me smell the original again. Oh my goodness, the original smells so young now. Oh wow. 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 That is amazing. And the original used to smell deeper to me, but now that they've made an actual intense version, oh no, this is truly intense. This is definitely deeper and darker. Wow. Ooh. Okay. So again, this is a first impressions. I will be doing full wear test on the new Donna Born and Roma Intense. So I will give it a dedicated review later on. Check back on the channel for that. But right now, you all, first impressions, this absolutely is an intense version. No, it is not a very similar to the original one. So no, it's not a copycat. So it's not a cash grab. I gotta give Valentino that. No, these are different fragrances. Man, the original smells like a sugar bomb now in comparison to the intense. I'm still blown by this, y'all. Wow. Oh, okay, y'all. Now that this has sat on some more, I'm getting more of that original DNA starting to peek through. But this is darker and deeper and more mature. So straight up, the original now smells more like something the 20-somethings will love. So I can see a lot of more so college girls loving this scent. But I gotta say, this intense one, you all know I'm in my 30s. This intense one is appealing to my age group a little bit more. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I gotta play in this. This is truly intense. This is darker. These fragrances are not the same. Valentino truly made an intense version. That is not just a cash grab. I gotta re-emphasize that. If you take nothing from this video, this is truly an intense version. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm glad I have the big bottle. I will be bathing in this to give it a full wear test. You all know when I do longevity, mood, and all that type of thing. So that'll be in its own dedicated review. But off of first impressions, I'm excited, and I do think this is for the more so the grown and sexy ladies. This is your 30 plus lounge type of scent. That's what I'm feeling with this. I'm here for it. I like it. So straight up, if you thought the original one was too sugary sweet, then you will definitely enjoy the intense version more. But I will say, I don't think the intense version is going to be as appealing as the original because of the fact it's not as sugary sweet. It's not as mass appealing. It's not as mass appealing. So I definitely think, particularly if you are under 30, I definitely think you need to try this scent on in person, in store. I think you do, because it might be a little too heavy for you. Oh, I love it though. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's enough on my first impressions. Elves, let me know what you think. Are you interested? Are you excited about this new release from the House of Valentino, the new Donna Born and Roma Intense? Or do you feel like, I'm good, we don't need an intense, I'm gonna stick beside the original? Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and we will talk about it, of course, in the comments as always. So very excited. At the time I'm filming this video, it is sold out at Nordstrom, but as I see it is available at other retailers, I will be posting about it, and I'll update my description box with links so you know where you can pick it up for those that are interested. So as always, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you're here for the content, hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not here for any of this, that is okay. This is for us Valentino lovers. We're gonna stick together, you know? But until next time, elves, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.